Hello, it's Marek, welcome to MDrives. One thing I don't like about my M2 is the lack of LEDs. It's actually the lack of the 6000K light which they output. So this car, being pre-LCI, has xenon bulbs, and although they work absolutely fantastic because they are adaptive with the high beam assist, so they work fantastic. Unfortunately, the light they output, it's only around 4300 kelvins, which to my eyes look quite yellowish. Before this car I had M135i which had LEDs, and they absolutely looked fantastic at night. 6000K of the LEDs look beautiful, slightly blue, and that's really what I'm after. So I decided to try new bulbs. So I got myself this OSRAM D1S Cool Blue Intense. They meant to produce light up to 6000K, so that's supposed to be comparable to LEDs. From what I've seen on the internet, they probably won't be that cool, but any improvement in the light temperature will be welcome. So I'm going to install one of them today, so I can then do the comparison when it gets dark and see if they really make a difference, because they weren't cheap. They were about £35 each, so hopefully I won't be too disappointed. Let's get to it now. But before we start, let me show you the package. When you buy these bulbs, make sure you have this sticker on and you check them on the OSRAM website if they are genuine product, because there is loads of counterfeits out there. Unfortunately, changing a headlamp bulb in M2 isn't as straightforward as you might think. To do that, I will have to lift the car. Next, we have to take out a couple of screws to release the front of the wheel liner. Here it is, the back of the headlight. To get to the xenon bulb, we simply twist it left to open the cap. And here it is, our Philips xenon bulb. So first we have to pull down the wire. There are two wings on both sides of the bulb mount. I already released them, but basically what you have to do is you have to twist them by about 20 degrees. So the one which is at the bottom, it needs to go up, and the one which is on the opposite side at the top needs to go down. Next, you simply pull out the bulb. Next, we install our new xenon bulb in place and connect the cable. Don't forget to put and twist the cap on before putting everything together. All done, so now let's wait for an evening. I managed to find a white wall where I can show you the difference in the colors. As you can see, the difference is visible, and it will be even more visible when I move my car a bit to the front in a moment, so you will have the better separation of the light. Now hopefully you can clearly see the difference between both bulbs. The new one on the right is definitely more bluish, and also the intensity of the light is slightly better. You can actually see that in the area where it was too bright for the camera to register, so the burnout area is actually bigger on the right hand side. Since then I had a chance to test it on the road and follow my friends with the LED lights, and unfortunately it's not the same, it still lags behind. It looks very white, but it definitely doesn't give you the full LED 6000K color. But you know what, I think it's close enough, I think I'm happy, I will stick to those. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, and I see you shortly in the next one. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Do widzenia.